Hey everyone, in this video I will walk you through my library management system project. It is a simple terminal based Python app that manages books, members and loans using the CSV files as a lightweight database. So we have two user roles like librarian and member. So we will go through the code and features together. So here is a code for the application models.py, which defines the data structure, link book, member and loan using @data class. So these are the variables which sets the value taken from user. ISBN, which is the code for the book that acts as the unique ID. Title is the name of title. Author is the author of a book. And copies total, it means how many copies are there in our library. And copies available, it means how many copies are there which are available currently for the user, which are subtracted from the total copies and not more than the total copies. So next is a so member. So this is for a member. This data types is for member. So member ID, which is a string type. Name is also string type, and all other are of string types. So next is a name, password hash. So password hash, it means the user password will automatically convert into the code before the saving into the CSV file. So this is email, and this is the joining date of a member. So next data class is of loan. Loan ID, it is also in string format. All member ID, issue date, due date, return date. Okay, so that's it in the models.py. okay, so next is storage.py. So this is where all the reading and writing to CSV files happens. So each function deals with one kind of a data, like load underscore books, have underscore books. So read underscore CSV files, it means it will retrieve the data from the CSV file, and the write underscore CSV, this function will write the data into the CSV file, which has three parameters as file name, field names in the sense these all fields, and rows. Okay, so this is the part defined for the CSV file, which is auto generated self.data. okay, so this all about the storage.py, which used to save the entries from the user. So this one is the authentication.py. So this is the hash underscore password. Is it a save password into the CSV file, and this is a verify password method, which takes the input from the user, and it will compare this password into the hash the password written by the hash underscore password. If it is equal, then user can enter into the into their user interface. So register underscore member, this method is used to register the member into the storage, which is using member ID, name, password and email. So if the credentials given by the user member, which are available in the members.csv file, then it will allow. If this member ID is available in the CSV file, then it will throw exception as a duplication member ID. So hash underscore password will convert the password file into the hash. So it will provide a very good security to the password before entering into the CSV file. So joining date, it means the currently system date and time on which the user has entered their credentials into the terminal. So this will append the data and generate a CSV file, write the data into the CSV file. So this is the login page, login method, which has a member ID and password. So if the storage contains the it will firstly read the data into the storage files, CSV files. If the member ID is present, then it will verify the password, and the password is matched, then it will successfully log in the user. So next is a librarian menu. Okay, so this is a librarian, this is the code for librarian menu. Okay, so just a minute. Okay, so where it is. So here it is, librarian menu. So once you log into the admin, the librarian can add books by entering ISBN, title, author, and copies. So this will give the menu which has 6 options for the admin. So it will take the input as from 1 to 6. If the input is 1, then it will return the add book credentials. It will take input as ISBN, title, author, and copies, which librarian can enter, and it will append the data into the CSV file which has created before. Okay, so if the choice is 2, then it will take member ID, name, password, email, register. Okay, so member ID, name, password, and email, and then it will call the register underscore member method from members.py, and it will print a message member register. Okay, so if choice is 3, it will take ISBN, member ID, and issue book. If choice is 4, then it will take ISBN, member ID, and it will return the book that matches the ISBN number. Okay, and similarly if 5 and 6 working. So this is a member menu for the members of the library. Okay, so here it is, search, catalog, borrow book, same as the above librarian menu. So it will take 1 to 4 input. If 1, then it will ask the user to enter the title, author. If the book is available in the CSV file, then it will return. Okay, if the choice is 2, ISBN to borrow, it will take the input of ISBN, then it will issue a book. If choice is 3, it will issue a loan. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's all about our Python code. So it's time to run the program. So here we go into the terminal, type py.main.py, and here it is. It is asking for a member ID. So okay, let me open a CSV file. These are the CSV files which are used for storing data from them. Okay, so take one member ID from the user. It is as 1002. So enter a member ID as 1002. Okay, and the password for this member is got@67. Yes, it is logging, and you have the options: search, catalog, borrow book. So search catalog 1. So here it is asking to enter a name of the book. So let me pick one book name as okay, so here is a member books.csv now. Copies. Okay, Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, Pirates of the Caribbean. Okay, I think it is not matching with the name, so let's try with the author. Search catalog and enter the author name as Raj. Okay, so here it is. So as you can see, it is showing ISBN as 1002, title Pirates of the Caribbean, author Mr. Raj and Dr. Rahul Vaskar, copies total 9 and copies available 9. So this is how the program is working. If you want to log out, then enter 4 and it will log out. So again rerun the Python program. So member ID. Okay, so here is a admin. So now it is login with the admin and the password is admin. Okay, so here is the admin login. So if you wanna add the book, enter 1. So give the IAN as 1003. So title of the book is This is Java, and the author is at Sun Micro Systems, and total copies available as 10. Okay, so it's showing the exception as okay. So okay, so let's add the book. Again rerun the program as py.main.py. So member ID as admin, password as admin. So add 1. So ISBN enter as 3, title given as core Java, author is Sun Microsystems, total copies are 10. So okay, so let's check in the book if your files are added or not. Okay, so here is the books.csv. okay, as you can see this line, so our book is successfully added into the CSV file. So that's all about our project. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, so let me log out and clear the screen, closing the terminal. That's it. Thank you. Visit again.